welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button and as well the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey boos, what's good, what's popping, what's good, what popping? I promise you with this kind of beginning of spring makeup look. Okay, I don't want to be too over all the place with this spring makeup look. We just need to take it step by step and then we get there. Okay, and yeah, I use a new eyeshadow palette to achieve this eye look. I did my face off camera because I really want to focus on this eye look, and which I did. I'm super duper, like seriously, nobody concerned, I'm super duper obsessed with this look, the way it turned out. It was a little bit straight. I didn't really know the look I was going for, but all the same we found our way out to come up with this kind of look for this kind of wig. And yeah, I didn't want anything that would take the attraction away from the eye look, because we're here for the eye look, period. Okay, we just didn't further talking. If you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this eye look with a new eyeshadow palette from CATRICE, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. All the products I use are going to be listed down below. If there is any request, please feel free just to leave me in the comment section below. No further talking. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah. CATRICE Disney Evil Queen palette eyeshadow. Okay, I grabbed two last year, so I'm finding a way, in other words, just to put it out there. Okay, because I need to get rid of a lot of makeup that I don't really need anymore. So I'm trying to do a little bit of collection so that I can refill my makeup kits all over again, because we don't have any space anymore. Okay, using this one today. It looks super beautiful, and the packaging is also very cute, as you can see. It looks like inside I had to remove the plastic at the front. With that you cannot really see it properly. They're super beautiful. So I decided what to start up with when it comes to spring. We are in the season of spring, right? It's not yet here, but we need to plan and prepare. You need to be aware. Okay, so I'm going to be needing 4 eyeshadow inside this palette. So cute. I hope my monitor is picking it properly. So pretty. A bit skeptical or debating which shade am I going to pop on my lid, but I decided that I'm going to pick out the shade I know is not going to be a little bit complicated for me, which is I'm going to be, I don't know, to start up I'm going to show you, but my lid color is going to be Passion, which is this shade right here, is pressed glitter. So that is going to be the main tea on our lid, right? Normally I do, but I think it's going to be perfect for all this season, evening, going out, makeup dates or whatever. If you want your eye to glaze to the guts, baby girl, so you can use this shade. It's so beautiful. I didn't want to touch it because I just want to dive into with my brush. So let's begin. Let's get the ball rolling. But I think I'm going to be doing my face off camera. I think we never can tell how the situation on our eye is going. To start up, it has been a minute, guys, since I used my EBONY Deep Brow Pomade Ebony eyebrow products. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using today. And also, guys, I'm going to try as much as possible to keep my eyebrow a little bit lighter, not too dark, because the kind of hair we are using today, I want the focus to be on my hair and on my eyeshadow, not on my brow, if that makes sense. I just want you guys to enjoy it. All right, so I'm just going to take my brush. You know, the brush I always use from J-Stop Wing Eyeliner Brush 317. Concealer brush. Just going to do some tidying up right here. We're okay. Today we are going to be doing a freestyle. We don't get life twisted, okay? So for our brush, just to blend out concealer. I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. My retechnique brush to blend out the eyeshadow base all over my lid. I'm going to be taking this funny brush. The reason why I call it funny brush, sometimes it's very fluffy, sometimes it's very sticky. Shade called Anger, this shade right here. It has a huge fallout at the same time. Pigment, I believe. This is a beautiful shade to work with, and I believe it's going to be a very beautiful color. So I'm blending, taking my brush towards the beginning of my eyebrow, as you can see me doing. With one layer I'm good. With one layer I'm good. Fallout a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. The most important thing that we are seeing what we are applying on our crease, not that you have to do 100 layers. And at the end of the day, it's going to end up cakey and not well blended, and I don't like that. So okay, this shade right here is called Selfish. I'm just going to bring a little bit light to the first shade. Cut crease, guys. Do you have any idea where mama is going to? Do you have any idea? Let me know. We have no idea, right? But don't worry, we always have an idea. We always have a way to go. I'm going to be taking this shade called Cruel. This shade right here, Cruel. I'm just going to apply that on top. Interrogue, this shade right here. I'm going to apply that with a very soft handed. I don't want it to be too dark, you know what I mean, but I still want you to have that kind of a contour crease, if that makes sense. A bit louder, a little bit louder. So that is what we are doing. I'm taking this brush from Louvin's Cosmetic. Sorry, I didn't mention it at the beginning. Cruel. I'm just going to blend out the edges. All right, I think that's going to be the perfect shade to blend out the edges. I'm using this concealer brush, the one I used to clean my eyebrow bone. I guess we are doing a cut crease. Yes, we are doing a cut crease. No name brush. I'm just going to pack this shade. Which shade? I'm going to pack this shade all over my lid. What is it called? Evil. I'm going to pack it all over my eyelid because it's a beautiful shade. Wow, 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 wow. It's beautiful. Yes. The names are a little bit ridiculous, right? Don't get me wrong. It's eyeshadow. It's nothing else. Okay, I got you, and I heard you saying no. I got you. But Bossy, this shade right here, I'm just going to, you know, transform in a little bit. I'm just going to start up right here. That's how we do it. That's how we roll. Yes, and blend it a little bit towards my crease area, from my outer V to my crease area. V, this shade right here, Envy, is going to be my brow bone highlight. Yes, it's okay to apply this passion pressed glitter. Yes, I guess so. Taking my NYX glitter primer at the back of my hand, just like so. Just stop eye blender, pet eye blender, which is 223, pet, like so. Yes, Yeah, we're talking. Yeah, we're talking. Baby girl, you got what mama doing. Yeah. Come through. Excuse. Bam. It's a cute. Bam. It's a cute. Bam, bam, bam. Guys, you know me. You know my vibe, okay? Obsessed with this look. I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera. I'll be right back to show you the finish. So guys, voila, 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 our face is beats. Shade right here. I'm just going to blur that under my eye. Mascara, I'm going to be taking this Curl mascara. Ash tag 84. So beautiful. Yes, that's what we're talking. Called untan in that is in German. In English it's called down. Okay, this is what I apply on my inner corner. MAC lipstick, and this one is called what is it called? It's called Seduction, Contour Seduction A26, and I'm going to be taking this drugstore lip liner, okay, 003. A little bit goes a long way, okay? I'm going to top it with this. This is me by CATRICE in number 6. With this lip glance by CATRICE, and this one is in Better Juice. Okay. I pretty much it for this look. This Evil Queen palette by CATRICE. Okay, I'm super obsessed with the palette. I love it. I believe I'm going to play it along by the time goes by, but for now let's take a cheap peel and enjoy the look with it. Okay, I love it. Stick around.